the temperature in degrees Celsius at which velocity of sound in air will be double its value at 0 degrees Celsius. So here we have to find out that temperature T2 question mark, and that temperature must be in what? Degrees Celsius, where the velocity of sound in air will be, means that velocity V2 will be double its value at 0 degrees Celsius. V2 is equal to 2 times of V1, where V1 is the velocity of sound at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius means at normal temperature pressure condition T1 must be equal to 273 degree Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius means 273 degree Kelvin. So we want to find out at what temperature speed of sound or velocity of sound will be double its value at NTP. Double its value at 0 degree Celsius means double its value at NTP. We know that the velocity of sound in air, it is given by formula V is equal to gamma RT divided by M. Gamma RT divided by M. It means here gamma R and M, they are same. For a given gas, value of gamma and M is same. R itself is universal gas constant, that is same. So this implies that speed of sound or velocity of sound is directly proportional to temperature. Therefore, V2 divided by V1 is equal to under root of T2 divided by T1. Under root of T2 divided by T1. Now, put the value of V2. Here V2 is double, means it is 2 times V1 divided by V1 is equal to under root of T2, temperature that we want to find out, upon T1. See here, T1 is 0 degree Celsius, means 273 degree Kelvin. So this V1 get cancelled and squaring on both sides. So 4 is equal to T2 divided by 273, or temperature T2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 273, that is equal to 1092 degree Kelvin. Now convert it into degree Celsius. So temperature T2 is equal to 1092 degree Kelvin. If I subtract 273 degree Kelvin, then I will get my answer in degree Celsius, and that comes to be 819 degree Celsius. Means at a temperature T2 equal to 819 degree Celsius, velocity of sound will becomes double its value at NTP. Double its value at NTP. So out of 4 options, option B is the correct option for this question. Option B is the correct option.